kasi si Miss LT even before namin mag-shoot. Pero iba syempre pag nasa set na kayo.
Yeah,
so,
you're her director.
I know, so parang hindi ko pinapahalaga pero kabang-kaba ko pag nasa set si Miss LT kasi gusto ko magmukhang professional talaga. Pero yun, pinadali niya po yung buhay ko. Yun nga, pati yung mga bata na syempre hindi namin naiintindihan din yung sinasabi nila. She was able to connect with the kids so well na Korean children po, na tuloy yung mga bata, they were able to ad-lib kahit wala sa script.
Amazing! Now, mahanga akong pinapanood ko lang siya, tinitignan ko eh. Wala nang pressure sa kanya, hindi siya nasa-stress. Siguro kasi alam niya yung nakafocus siya sa work, alam niya lahat ng character, so mas madali for everybody.
In your side, si Miss LT and Tito Gaboy sa Padilla side. So nakikita ko na sila ng bata pa lang sa mga family reunions. And I always found Miss LT very mysterious and intriguing. Even growing up, nung napapanood ko na yung mga movies na Miss LT, sabi ko, if ever parang I could work with someone, I think it would be her. Kasi her energy is different. As you can see, she remains very youthful, very young. It's how she thinks, how she speaks to people. As you can see, she's very gracious. So there's a reason why I guess our paths crossed at this point in our lives.
One last question, Ms. Mela. Sa punto kayo ng career mo, saan mo mas gustong mag-concentrate? Acting or directing? Or writing more scripts for movies?
I think I'm still most comfortable as an actress po. But I'm thankful na binibigyan ako ng opportunities to keep on doing this. This movie is co-produced by my production house, Whiskey Marmalade. So I think I'll focus more on that.
Pag-admiration pala. Pareho nilang hinahangaan ng isa't isa, di ba?
Ayan. At magkapagkaanak yan ha. Kung baga na kay Roddy Fernandez, di ba? Padilla.
Pero ako kung ako